Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to narrow down your search on the DoneDeal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this filters icon at the top of the screen, then select the model, tap on the button done. After that you should also select the minimum and maximum year. Then you can also indicate the price per month, the mileage too. Your location can be set to tap on the button done, or you can also select the fuel type such as petrol, diesel and so on. Transmission can be selected, the body type too, and the engine size in liters, and the power, battery range, seats, doors, color, country of registration, annual road tax verifications, previous owners and so on. After selecting all these filters, you can apply them by tapping on the apply button down below, and then you are going to find all of the results based on your preferences, so feel free to search among them. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.